Guys, welcome back to Sonic Social Tech. Happy New Year to all and stay blessed. So in this tutorial I'll show you how to check old sending requests on Instagram. So just follow these simple steps and make sure to watch the video through to the end. First, open up your Instagram, click on your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner of the screen, click on Account Center, and then find your information and permissions. Then tab on Download your information. Then tab on Download your information. Then you will see two options, that how much information do you want right now. First one is all available information and second is some of your information. Then click on Download to this device. Then tab on Create Files. That's all. If you find this video helpful, so subscribe to Sonic Social Tech for more tech tips.